Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. An update. Yesterday was a bit of an emergency update because I felt like we were breaking down, and that's still kind of the case. I mean, purely technically, the situation is exactly the same as it was yesterday. All right. So Solana, the thing is that it has been super strong. Or at least it was very strong. Yesterday morning was still very strong. But it also found some strong resistance right here between 120 and 110. All right, that's what we'll name the level as. Found strong resistance. I expected Bitcoin to start falling down, which has now happened, slightly at least. And Solana itself has also, since yesterday at least, has also stopped gaining momentum, stopped gaining open interest. So yeah, overall, I mean, Solana is still very bullish, all right? There shouldn't be any doubt about that. I mean, Solana, and I show you this every single day, but the total value locked on Solana is higher than this, but I use this statistic all the time, but it's now at 1.5 billion. That means that it has increased in the last 3 months from 300 million to 1.5 billion. Well, I'm not that good at math, but I think that's about a 400% increase. Which is super bullish. Like, there's no reason to be bearish on Solana, but even if Solana falls down here, that might actually be better. All right, we might actually need a bit of a drop to gain more liquidity, or to grab some liquidity, consolidate, and then rally up higher later. Because I assume the market is going to be bullish, so I also assume that it's just a matter of time before Solana gets up to that next resistance level at 135 and then 150. I think that's possible, but right now, and I think I said this yesterday as well, right now I do think a bearish breakout and a bit of a pullback is more likely, all right? And like I said, I mean, for the fact that Bitcoin got a bearish breakout and Solana is still quite correlated to Bitcoin, as you can see. So yeah, that matters. And then apart from that, like I said, we're at a strong resistance and we've lost some momentum. So technically, I would still tell you that we're in this area between 110 and 120. We haven't had a breakout above that. So technically, it's still possible that we'll break above 120. And if we do, we're just going up to 135. All right, that will happen. So technically, it's still waiting for just a breakout below 110 or above 120. But like I said, I mean, given the circumstances, even though both of these technically are still possible, and technically I also keep them both into account, I would say a bearish breakout is most likely. All right, so that means that we'll break down below 110, probably find some support at 105, take a break retest, and then drop down to this major support level around 100, all the way down to $95. And that's a strong support level. I expect that to hold. I expect us to form a consolidation on top of that, even though that might be a little bit too far in the future. And then eventually I expect Solana to rally again and get up to 135. So it doesn't matter that much. I'm bullish on Solana, all right? I just think that right now it's actually good and most likely, and to be expected, that we'll get a bit of a pullback, all right? I mean, we have rallied since Wednesday. So in the last 5 days, we have rallied 60% for Solana, which has a market cap of billions of dollars, almost 50 billion. It's now in the top 4. Wow, that's actually pretty great. Ethereum killer is back. No, that's a joke. I don't think it's going to kill Ethereum soon. It might have a chance to actually be as big as it, but I can do a video on that, but that's up to you. For now, that's the take. If you do want more value from me, I have a premium and signal group. If you want to make some money, check that out. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.